recognizing that this panel stands between you and lunch, I will be succinct. So just some quick background. Mara Group is a diversified holding company. We have investments in real estate, packaging, IT services, and agriculture, with operations in 19 African countries. Speaking particularly about manufacturing and agribusiness, we see a tremendous opportunity, and really echoing Harriet's comments, clearly a lot of capital going into the market. I must say, though, that agriculture in Africa is not for the faint of heart. We're in the process of commercializing a 9,300 hectare farm in eastern Uganda, and while there's a tremendous amount of opportunity with respect to unmet local demand, the constraints and issues that one faces in actually bringing untilled soil into productive use are significant. Given the experience that we've been having and the opportunities that we've been evaluating, I think an area of agribusiness which is really interesting is obviously processing, handling, and storage. In particular, Africa is net short storage, and storage, when you don't have storage, it actually increases price volatility. So I think there's a tremendous opportunity, and frankly, all of the people on this panel can contribute to various solutions to actually help increase the degree of beneficiation and professionalism in the value chain in agribusiness. So I think that is an area worthy of further discussion and debate. Additionally, just echoing Jean-Louis' comments about financing agribusiness financing agribusiness in Africa, there is this concern or this issue associated with duration. And I think the other issue, which probably merits some further discussion, is that some of the crops which are most financeable are probably the most problematic. So for example, we've been evaluating cassava-based ethanol plants. Ethanol is, given the global market, is financeable in that one can enter into various offtake agreements. However, when it comes to Africa's development, I think there's some healthy skepticism as to whether or not cassava used for ethanol is necessarily the best use of that land. Obviously, the whole food for fuel debate is quite nuanced. So the issue is designing solutions and structures whereby one can actually assist in financing and developing local markets for local route to market and the beneficiation of crops as opposed to crops for export. With that, I'll turn over back to Jean-Louis.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Doing business in Africa. You can't afford to be without Africa Investor.